Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix payment method declined in Uber Eats. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So before we proceed with the steps on adjusting your Uber Eats application here, the first thing you want to ensure here is that the card or the payment method that you are currently using is actually valid. So if you're using a card, make sure that the card number is exactly the same thing that you entered on Uber Eats, as well as the information for CVV, as well as the expiration date of the card itself. Now, once you've verified all the details are correct and it matches and still being declined, well, the next best thing that you want to do here is contact your bank first. So contacting your bank will guarantee to give you information on why this payment method is actually being declined. Now, in this case, if you don't want to contact your bank first and you want to see what things you could do here on the Uber Eats application, well, first thing you want to do here is you want to go ahead and edit a few things on Uber Eats. Now, in here, you want to press and hold on Uber Eats and you want to select app info. Now, in here, click on clear data. And from here, just click on the clear cache option and just click on OK. So what we just did right now is we cleared all of the temporary files that we have on Uber Eats. And from there, you could go ahead and open up Uber Eats and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.